day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Bert and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis. Together with trainer Derek, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer JB, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feathers put in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The third quilliped may be also translated as big-footed, since their flipper will look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of a run of applause for sea lion friends. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Almost another round of applause for sea lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with tide and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Isis, the prettiest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Isis and trainer Jerry. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Sandra? 25 miles per hour! That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexiest? Wow, nice night, bird. And another one, she deserves it! Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're also recognized in a void underwater mines. Alright ladies trainers, are you ready? One man salute! Now let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Now this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, but first, Darlene, go ahead and get ready, sea lion friends. And they got it! How about a round of applause for Isis and Sandra? Great job, ladies! And another one, they asking for it. So trainers, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance! Careful, ladies! Almost there! Careful! Steady and fantastic! A round of applause for Sea Lion friends! Excellent work, ladies! Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, here it, maestro! Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, show them the side by side. And lovely, we're dancing. Rock and roll, Isis. Into the water ballet. Twist it and turn it. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, the boogie shakers. Shake those boogie. Go, trainers. Yeah, bye. And keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Steady and arriba! And for the finale. Steady and let's go! Yeehaw! Round of applause for Sea Lion friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number.